Today we just want to show how we can connect these hearing aids through an app on a cell phone to remotely be able to make adjustments using our computer here in the office. So Denver has his phone and these hearing aids, which are not hooked up at all to this computer. We're going to use the app on here. It's called Oticon Remote Care. Go ahead and open that, Denver. And if there's just a couple buttons to push on this side, why don't you go into the other room though, and I'm going to get it all started on my side so that we can make a connection and show you what it is like when we do this video phone call appointment. It's pretty easy. It takes just a few seconds to get it all linked up, but what it allows us to do is really great. So very shortly we should see Denver be able to connect through from his phone. I can hit start an appointment and it will be face to face. Hi Denver, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
All right, very cool. So when that is working, we can just make adjustments while we talk, and then I can hit save and we can work on your hearing aids remotely. While we're not in the office together, we can still take care of things for you. So just wanted to give a demonstration. That's how it can work with Oticon Remote Care. Thanks, Denver.